happy Super Bowl Sunday morning to you all. I have to make a quick run into Bishop. I've been busy with grandkids and some other things the last couple of days. Sorry, my camera just wants to keep creeping down on me here. Yeah, so there's been a couple things I've needed from the store, and desperately, I'm on my last trash bag. So I've got to actually hit, I'm going to High Country Lumber because I want to get a toilet paper holder for the trailer. I don't know if you remember my setup video, you saw that I had that freestanding toilet paper holder, and it just didn't work out. It was kind of hard to transport. I just wasn't that crazy about it, so I'm just gonna get one, see what I can find that just goes right on the wall or right on the cabinet. And then I got to go to Rite Aid for a couple of things, and Grocery Outlet and Smart and Final. So need a couple things for Super Bowl Sunday and a couple miscellaneous things, and that's about it. But thought I'd just check in with you on the drive and say hi and see how everybody's week went. While I'm in town, Lon's gonna pull the trailer around. The way our More Ride steps work in the GeoPro, and the fact that we have to park it so close to our fence on the side, we can't get in the trailer when it's parked on the side of the house. It's because of the different step system. So he's just gonna pull it around, and he's got to work on the water filter. Was giving him a little bit of grief, so he's going to work on that. There's a couple things I'm going to do in there. We're going to be taking the trailer out, camping for 3 nights, just here locally in the near future, which I'm really excited about. We've already got a really pretty little spot booked right by the river, so I can't wait to get back in the GeoPro and just get out into nature again and get some pictures, take my tripod, play around with my camera. So I've got to do a couple things to the trailer too, and I'll probably bring you along in there with me this afternoon. So we're going to try to get all that done before the game. So yeah, so just thought I'd say hi and good morning and kind of just catch up with you, touch bases with you a little bit this morning. And yeah, that's about it. So see you in a little while.
All right, thank you very much. You have a wonderful day.
I will, you too. Okay, so one of the changes that we made, if you have this particular model, and I know the other models have these just in various locations, but these blue lights at night are very, very bright, and you know that. So I made this, it was out of the same material, just actually it was from this curtain that I cut down. Was from this curtain that I cut down, and I just made, it's got Velcro. I sewed Velcro on one side, reattached Velcro up here, and it just covers the little area perfect. Now when I first did it, I only had one layer, and just the way the fabric fell, some of the blue lights still showed through the white. So what I've done is gone and put a backer on it. I just doubled it up, and so I've got a little strip of black right underneath the white. So I'm hoping you still might be able to see it through there a little bit, but I don't think it's going to be as bright. It's just held up there with Velcro. So if you need to access the panel, you can either take it off or just pull it up. And again, that was made out of leftover curtain material. Another little change that we made, I just added a clock today because I didn't have a clock in here, so I might have it a little crooked, but it's not, actually looks pretty good. And then in the bathroom, if you remember, I had that freestanding toilet paper holder, and that just, it was too cumbersome when we would travel. So I decided just to go with just a little wall mount one we could keep here. It's out of the way, you know, not a knee knocker, so that should work out pretty good. And then what I found I can do when we travel is I just put my little thin trash can underneath there with the little toilet bowl brush and basically just our other, you know, tank maintenance stuff. So that fits perfect in there. I don't have to worry about it bouncing around when we travel. These are my baskets. I put them in the laundry basket when we travel, and I decided to stick with this shower curtain mainly because it just fits. It fits, the colors go, it matches, so I'm not gonna mess with it. So here we are. And then one last thing. So I found these at Grocery Outlet because these refrigerators are pretty small. So I wanted to get a couple of these and see how they worked. I could probably get one more if I wanted to put it up there, but I just got these to help, just to keep stuff in. This one, because this bottom shelf is a little bit bigger, this one actually works okay to slide in and out this way, or I could do it on its side as well. So we'll just have to wait and see how those work out. But again, those were just two little shelves that I had gotten at the Grocery Outlet. I thought I would try and see if they would be handy for storing cheeses, lunch meat, maybe condiments, things like that. So that was about it, guys. I'm gonna go, got myself stuck. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my Murphy bed down and make my bed. I'll show it to you again when I got it all situated before I put it back up, and I think that's pretty much. And then Lon did some work on the water filter. He's having problems with that, but he got that situated. And then we're just gonna add one of those external, you know, blue ones that you put on the outside for the water filters. So, all right, let me get this bed made and get it put back together, and I think she'll be all ready for the next adventure. Rugs are all washed and ready in here. This is ready for travel mode. Everything here seemed to stay really well when we traveled. I didn't have any trouble with that. This is working out as a little pantry space just fine. Had a little trouble with this door. We had to re-screw it and glue it. But plates and cups up there. Do it without making you dizzy. Over here, I just have, what do I usually put in there? Oh, that's overflow pantry. So that'll be food. Got some bags, cutting boards, some foil. It's just kind of squishing down that little cube in there. And then this one is Maxie's cube, and this one is another basket, baby wipes, and counter wipes. So yeah, and then all our paperwork right over there in the corner. So yeah, I think everything is okay. I'm going to see how my cutting board rides right here. That's the only thing I really, my other trailer, I could slide it in between the couch and the dinette, so it held it really well in travel, but I'm gonna give this a try. So let's get this bed made. comfy bed, they said. You'll love it, they said. It's actually pretty comfortable.